Let's see what is the difference between process versus shell. A process is a program that is currently running. A shell is a program that allows users to interact with the operating system. A process performs a specific task during execution. A shell accepts commands from the user and executes them. A process can run in the background or foreground. A shell usually runs in the foreground and waits for user input. A process is created when a program starts running. A shell starts when a user opens a terminal or logs in. A process uses CPU time, memory, and other resources. A shell also uses resources, but its main job is to manage and start processes. A process may end after completing its task. A shell remains active until the user closes it or logs out. Many processes can run at the same time in a system. Usually, a user works with one shell session at a time, though multiple shells can be opened. A process can be a user process or a system process. A shell is a command interpreter provided by the operating system. Example of process is a running text editor or web browser. Example of shell is Bash, PowerShell, or Command Prompt. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.